This is the brief on fixing Gigabyte motherboard boot loops. That dreaded boot failure detected screen just means your PC failed its initial power on self-test, or post-check, and we're going to break down how to unfreeze it. So how do we escape the loop? First, bypass that frozen screen where your mouse and keyboard lock up, get into the BIOS, and select Load Optimized Defaults. Think of this as, a factory reset for your car's engine tuning. If this works, but the error comes back later, your system's XMP or eExpo memory profiles are probably unstable. Just manually step down the memory speed, like from 6,000 MHz to 5,800 MHz, or update the BIOS. Second, if you can't even get into the BIOS, do a hardware reset by clearing the CMOS. Unplug the PC, pop out that little silver CR2032 coin battery for 10 to 15 minutes to drain any residual power and replace it. Why does a tiny watch battery hold a massive gaming rig hostage? Well, because it keeps the motherboard's temporary memory alive. Finally, if the PC resets but can't find a bootable device, check the boot priority list in your BIOS to ensure your Windows drive is selected. It's kind of like turning on a TV, right? But having it set to the wrong input channel. If it's missing, physically check that your SATA, power cables, or M2 NVMe slots are firmly seated. So, whether dealing with a brand new build or a sudden glitch on an older system, resetting BIOS defaults, tweaking RAM speeds, and checking connections will absolutely break the failure loop. Stop staring at a frozen screen and go get your rig back online.